In front of me is Nokia 1.3, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So first of all, you need to enroll the list of all apps, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick System, and now click on Languages and Input. And here mark languages, and if you'd like to add some language, just click on Add a Language, and here you've got the whole list of languages. Smoothly scroll down to see all languages that can be applied. Pick the one that you want to have on your device. It can be Spanish. Then select the region. And now swipe it up to the first place, because once language is on the first place, it is a default one. And as you can see, from now on, the language has been applied, and you can smoothly use your device in Spanish. Whenever you would like to change language again, you can smoothly mark languages, then tap on More icon, and here by tapping on Remove, you can mark some particular language that you would like to remove, then click on Bin icon and tap on OK to confirm it. Then you can pick another language again. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.